Hey y'all, this is our 360 12-inch Italian curly bang wig. This is available right now on our site in a 12-inch. If you order today, you can pick up today as well. So it is super easy, no stylist
needed.
You want
to attach these to the back if you want to make them tighter. You're going to attach it back here. Dang, if I can get it in there. Okay, and then it also has a hair comb, okay? So it has a band, two attachments that you're going to click to the inside to make it tighter. You have hair combs on both sides to secure your wig. And then we're just going to pop it on like this.